Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Gallo, a professor of biology at Niagara University, and I'm here to talk to you about our care for our common home, the Vincentian thing. When I think about this issue, I think about our home as being planet Earth. And as such, it's here for us, but not solely for us. I see it as something that's bigger, that it's here for everything, not just for humans. And we, as sentient thinking beings, have to really consider that when we consider how we treat Mother Earth, the whole environment, the complexity of everything that's out there on our planet. And that's kind of the way that I try to envision my role here at the university. So I try my best not to destroy other things that our Earth has provided us, and to really try to do things to show that I'm a good environmental steward of the Earth. I'm a consummate tree hugger. I have some pictures of things that I've done for campus, that I'm always planting trees on campus, and it's really great to see that because they form essentially a legacy. They'll be here well beyond me, and it's something that I can do a little part of one of the things I can help for our campus. So, this respect for nature, to that end, I've used that to teach particular courses, one of them being on nature studies and a sustainability course. I teach those two courses as well, in addition to what most people would consider traditional biology kind of courses. As an aside, I also bring students out to my house for part of that, and they kind of love that because I let them see, permaculture, environmental stewardship in action, and it doesn't hurt that I have dogs, chickens, a turkey, llamas, and goats. So they always find that part of it to be quite fun too. Other things I've done around here, I applied for a Niagara River Greenway grant and received one to remove invasive species from a forest that the university owns out there on Whitmer Road. And as such, I've involved a number of students as workers on this grant. And so they've learned to appreciate nature, but also to see the complexity of stewardship, and that it's a challenge to manage. I mean, unfortunately, in a way, humans have taken over a role that nature could have or would have done. And so now we have to do some management. And it, again, involves removing some of these invasive species that came here because of our actions. So one of the things that I've done that I really like out in that area is I've made an outdoor classroom. If you talk to certain people, they call the era, so from the biological perspective, we look at the history of the Earth, the era, we're living in the anthropogenic era, and we've caused things to happen, one of them being something called climate change. And everyone can do something about that. As I said, my contribution is to plant trees on this campus as well as at my house, to try to use less fuel, to try to just do my share. And I think if everybody starts by doing something, it will help. It'll go a long way. There are contributions that I made, and there's contributions others can make that I think will make this campus, this community, and this planet a better place. So, this idea of really helping the campus go greener is one that I am committed to and will continue to help with. And I see this as one of the things that all of us should do, that we reflect on what we do and try to have a purposeful life, that we strive to make the world a little bit better place. So that in a nutshell is me. I'm good.